Leather leggings, the ultimate fashion statement for 2025. Leather leggings have long been a wardrobe staple for a fashion forward individuals, but in 2025, they are taking boldness to the next level. This year, we are seeing a fusion of high fashion comfort and rebellion in the form of bold leather leggings. Whether you are aiming to stand out on the streets or make daring statement at an event, these leggings have become the most happiest for any modern fashionista. Let's dive into why bold leather leggings are the ultimate trend for 2025 and how they style them to perfection. A new era for versatility. In 2025, leather leggings are more versatile than ever before. Gone are the days when they was reserved for edgy rock chic looks. Today's bold leather leggings come in various styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to experiment with a wide array of looks. Matte versus glossy. Matte leather leggings offer a sleek and stand vibe, while glossy finishes add an element of high glamour. Whether you choose a subtle matte or a head turning shine, there's a perfect pair for every occasion. Bright and bold colors. Traditional black leather leggings will always have a place, but the 2025 trend sees bold colors taking center stages. Think red, green, cobalt, blue, and even metallics. These color variants make it easy to mix up your look and add a pop of personality to your wardrobe. Texture play from crocodile embossed to suede like French's leather leggings now come with unique texture that add dimension and details to your outfit. Statement piece of every occasion. Office chic. Pair a tailored blazer with a pair of matte black leather leggings and sleek ankle boots for an elevated yet edgy work look. Add a silk blouse for a refined touch. Casual coat for a laid back but trendy look. Throw on a graffiti with your leather leggings and finish with sneakers. This make of sporty and chic is a perfect everyday combination. Night out glam. Bold leather leggings paired with a statement top or sequin jacket is the perfect outfit for a night out. Think about pairing bright metallic leggings with a simple black tank and strappy heels to add sophistication while maintaining that bold edge. Sus- Sustainability and eco-friendly leather. As sustainability continues to be a priority in fashion, 2025 brings a wave of eco-conscious leather leggings, innovative materials like plant-based or recycled leather leggings are now making their way into mainstream fashion. Comfortable yet stylish. One of the reasons leather leggings are dominating the fashion scene in 2025 is because they seamlessly combine comfort and style. Advances in material technology have made leather leggings more breathable and stretchy than ever before. Styling tips for bold leather leggings. Layering, footwear choices, accessories, conclusion, and so on. So, what are you waiting for? Step into 2025 with bold leather leggings and show the world your fearless style.